1, 2, 3, 4. Girl, I want you to come over to my house. We'll relax on our couch and we'll have a tickle fight. I wish I treat you like a falling star, wondering where you are. Do I ever cross your mind in the warm sunshine? She's from the city of angels, like vacation cable. Never know what she means to me. I fell for the girl that's on TV. Met her at a county fair. She wore a green dress and everybody was there. I felt out of place, so she looked into my eyes. Oh, shook her head around that piano. Never gonna be the same again. If I ever had to be on a movie screen, she's the leading lady in all my dreams. My girl, and I can't relax. My friends don't believe me. If they could only see me at the place that sounds cheesy, I think I fell for the girl on TV. I wish the street was a falling star, wondering where you are. Do I ever cross your mind in the warm sunshine? She's from the city of angels, like vacation cable. Never know what she means to me. I fell for the girl that's on TV. Everybody knows her name. They wanna take a picture and they're glad she came. But I just wanna be there when she's down, down. I don't want her autograph. I just wanna call her up and make her laugh. If I ever had to be on a movie screen, she'd be the leading lady in all my dreams. I'm in a black girl and I can't relax. She's a movie star. My friends don't believe me. If they could only see me at the place where the sound is cheesy, I fell for the girl on TV. He lives in the city. I've never seen a girl that I thought was worth so pretty. And will I ever meet her? I just don't know. But I watch her every day on the Cosby Show. I wish you were a falling star, wondering where you are. And do I ever cross your mind? She's from the city of angels, like James Dean and Cable.